Hey guys, C-Web here, back again with some fresh new content. As always, I appreciate you taking the time to look at my videos, like and share if you think it's worth it, subscribe if you want to be notified about new content. Let's get straight to it. Today I'm hanging this dinosaur flat panel TV on the wall. I'll put the model number in the description, so you can leave some funny comments if you want to. Did some research, found something that I think will work for me. Briefly read over the instructions. This should be pretty easy. First things first, definitely want to find your stud when you're mounting your bracket. You can use a stud finder if you need it. Hammer also work. Just bang on the wall, and you should be able to hear it. It'll sound like it's pretty solid. I don't know if you guys can see in the video, but I've got a stud right here, conveniently right behind my TV. So I'm gonna go ahead and get started. All right, I had to do a little bit of cleanup, but now I'm gonna mount the brackets to the TV. All right, that was pretty easy. Just hand tight, make sure you alternate. You want your brackets to be, solid on there or whatever. No play at all. Don't, over tighten them. Just hand tight should be good enough. Now I'm gonna move this out of the way, and I'm gonna mount the bracket on the wall. All right, as you can see, I had to improvise. Apparently there's metal studs in the wall, so no need to drill. Go ahead and get this baby mounted up. All right, I made some adjustments to my bracket on the wall, make sure that we're level. I'm gonna put the TV up here, take the TV stand off, and we're gonna put this baby up. All right, I think we're ready. I haven't tried this yet, so the suspense is real. Hey, come over here and tell me where I'm at.
Keep going up.
Both of them? There you go. I'm gonna make some adjustments. All right, got it all mounted up. You guys saw me making the adjustments and stuff. Looks pretty legit. We get everything cleaned up, and I'll have a final update. All right, so two things are obvious. The first being, I'm not mega worried about the production value of my videos at this point. I'm just a regular guy doing regular things. Shoot all the video clips on an iPhone, jam them together with iMovie, shoot it to YouTube, done deal. This stuff's mega easy. Anybody can do it. The other thing is, we're all set up here. I just refuse to believe for $22 delivered in 2 days from your favorite online American retailer that that this thing would, get here and be the truth, but it really is. So I'm gonna put a link for it in my description. Leave me a comment. I'll get back to you as soon as I can. As always, I appreciate you guys' support. Thank you. See you soon.